Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and Xiaomi 12. In this video I'll show you how to use reversed wireless charging on Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thanks to that, we'll be able to charge Xiaomi 12 via Xiaomi 12 Pro. So let's get started with dragging down the control center. Now extend it and make sure to enable reversed wireless charging. Tap got it. And now place Xiaomi 12 on the back of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. As you can see, Xiaomi 12 is charging. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.